Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea, Lemon Natural Flavor. First thing you gotta do is open up this Nestea mix. Okay, hope that's enough. And you pour in the water, you stir it all up. Then after that, close. Last but not least, you open up this can of lemon natural flavored carbonated water and you pour it into this mug or cup, whatever it's called. And taste test it. Awesome. Now you pour in a little more. And here is your Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea, Lemon Natural Flavor. Enjoy it and thank you for watching, folks. Peace and prosper and good night.